Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're going into a double deep nuke or 5 frame and put them in a double deep 8 frame. And my mic says it's working. Take your top off. Take your feeder rings off. Take your feeding dish off. And hopefully we can find the queen easier. This frame here has some pollen and some nectar. This side here has some drone brood and some worker brood. That's their first frame. It has drone brood, nectar, pollen over here, drone brood right here, and worker brood over here. So they're kind of spaced out all over. Same thing on that side. And we're going to put 3 frames in each one of these. This one here is laid up. Both sides. Side over here is all eggs. This is all brood. There's a queen cup right here. And up here is nectar and pollen. Stick it in there. This one is laid up with brood, eggs, larvae, little queen cup over there, drones. It's just laid up. This is all laid up with worker brood. This is a little bit of drone brood here, and it's got eggs and nectar throughout the rest of it. And we'll stick it in this box. This one has eggs, same thing as last one, eggs, brood, nectar, pollen, queen cup, 2 queen cups. This side over here has the same thing on it, all laid up. She's been to work up here on the top. Bottom looks kind of full too. No queen yet though. And we don't care if we see her because we saw everything we needed to see. We saw eggs, we saw brood. This frame here has nectar and pollen and the queen. There's the queen right there. So we're going to stick her in here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get 3 these frames with the fishing line. And we're gonna take this first one out. We're gonna push this over. We're gonna turn that around and push it over. There you go, keep the marks right. That has stores in it. Then we're gonna take this one, push this one over. And we can do this because we're not supposed to have any more cold weather. And then we're going to put this beside that one. Yeah, that's one thing I need to tell you. You don't want to just drop these things in there, you know, 2 or 3 in a row, because they'll make wacky cone. You need to take it to where you've got it built out on the side you're going to put that frame. Capped is good. Capped is good, but that way they'll build good frames. They won't build wacky stuff. And we're going to take this one, put on the other side of that one, and they'll build those out quicker because they don't like space in between their brood nests. So we're going to take this one and put here. And we're going to center them up. And we'll take this box, this thing, little box, and sit right there so the bees can go back down. Now this one over here, not knowing what's in it, we're going to take it out, and it has stores on it and pollen. It's a good frame, both sides. We're going to take it over here and set it in this box. This will probably be my top one and the other one be my bottom one. We'll put her some frames in here, and then we may even put her a queen excluder. Oh, she's got brood down here at the bottom. See any eggs, but I see bees and pollen and bees and pollen. These are bees, and it has pollen all the way around here. Didn't see any nectar. We're going to put that one there, and we're going to take this one, put our 4-4 on it, so we know when we put it in there, and we'll set that one in between those two. Then we'll get another one. And it has brood on it too. I see no eggs, but I see brood and pollen and a little nectar. Same thing with that side. So she's been working good. these bees that's flying around here. This will be a different box, but I'm going to put it in the exact same spot. This one here has eggs and brood and pollen. This one has a little bit of drones on it. This one has drones right here. So they weren't really thinking about swarming. But they were getting a little small for their box. Like I say, every time a bee hatches, she's 3 times bigger than she was. So you take a frame full of brood that hatches, that takes 3 frames. This is all drone. There's some honey and pollen and nectar mixed in there. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I don't know why I did that. Move these bricks. We'll move this hive over for right now. And we're going to take these girls, put them over here where it's pretty close to the same spot. Take this and give them some pollen. They can feed all them baby bees. And we don't answer the phone while we're working with the bees. You want to talk to me, leave me a message and I'll get back with you. No message, no phone call back. I don't do that. And we take this one, we put here, center them up. Give them some pollen. Pollen. Put them on the ring. Find them some food stuff. Put it in the middle, sorta, kinda. Give them some food. That way they can build them frames out quick. They've been eating a lot today, people. We have one in there doing a backstroke. She's okay now. That there. We take that, put it there. We're going to take their brood box here and set it out front. That way they can walk home. And we'll put our message and stuff on the top. That's what we do on the bottom with You know, the bottom board's got bees on it and everything. They'll walk up and get back in the hive. And that's them. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up. Give me a comment.